Hi, I'm John Klesnick, founder of Bonnet Pro and Key Floor Care and Restoration. I've been a cleaner since 1985. And today I want to talk to you about two of the best spotters in the industry. We have Surround No Rinse Encapsulating Spotter, and this contains citrus solvent, and it also contains AFT, active film technology. And what that does for you is that helps prevent oily binders from attaching to the fiber, which makes future cleanings easier. So between that and our T2H polymers, which are dustless and don't change the texture of the carpet, this won't attract soil quickly, so it won't resoil at a rapid rate. And this has a lot of strength to go after greases and inks and toners and even filtration lines. So this is a very good general all-purpose spotter that's kind of foolproof. If you dumped it on the carpet, you're not going to hurt anything with it. You won't delaminate the carpet. It's a health rating of 1. It's freeze thaw stable, and it also comes with our $7 shipping. So it's an excellent value. Now, Revive It Oxy Spotter is a truly fantastic product. This is an actual spot and stain remover. So this can go after greases and oils. It won't do it quite as well as No Rinse, but it's still really good on that. But it is absolutely outstanding on organic stains. Urine, coffee, wine, pomegranate juice, those types of natural coloring. The Oxy blend of peroxide that we use, which is a special product, it's not just hydrogen peroxide, is absolutely fantastic on attacking those organic stains, breaking them down, and taking away that color that your customer doesn't want. So things that were previously thought damaged or impossible to clean, the Oxy Spotter can correct many of those problems. So you have an actual true spot and stain remover. I actually even have people that use this for grout cleaning. They'll spray it on the grout lines, and the peroxide's so strong that it will help restore the color on a lot of tile and grout situations. So this product also comes with our $7 shipping, 3 cases or more ship free, and the two of them together can also be used because they'll build off each other. They have a systemic reaction to each other. So if you have really bad filtration lines, you'll spray them both down. I'll put one in each hand with a trigger in it, and it's amazing what these two can do together when needed, and even on steps and other difficult areas in upholstery too. So you get a lot of bases covered with both of these products. The only thing you would need outside of this would be possibly a red dye remover for synthetic dye, or rust remover, or a couple of specialty spotters that we see over here in the Omega line. But this will cover most of what you have, so you don't have to have your truck flooded with too many products. You can read more about both of them at bonnetpro.com, and this even has a show of how it took urine stains out of a mattress, and in a few minutes how it took pomegranate stains out of a t-shirt that we had stained and dried and restained it and dried it again, and it still took it out in 4 to 5 minutes. So go to bonnetpro.com and you can check out both of these excellent products. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.